Panibagong update ngayon sa kaso ng nawawalang teacher at beauty contestant ng Toy Batangas na si Catherine Camilon. Mga pahiwatig sa mga huling post at shared post ng beauty contestant at teacher ng Toy Batangas na si Catherine Camilon ay meron di umano itong tinutumbok hinggil sa problema ng kanyang dinadala bago ito nawala noong gabi ng October 12. Hanggang ngayon kasi ay bigo pa rin ang PNP na makita siya at malaman ang kanyang sitwasyon. Ang boyfriend nito na primary suspect na nasa restrictive custody na ng PNP ay bigo pa rin ang PNP na makakuha ng impormasyon sa nangyari sa teacher dahil nga nananatiling tikom pa rin ito. Si Jeffrey Jepoy Magpantay na driver ng suspect at dalawa pang mga suspect na positibong itinuro ng mga witness ay mailap pa ring mahanap. Ikinadidismaya naman ang pamilya ni Catherine ang hindi pagbigay ng aksyon ng mga nangangasiwa sa suspect na pagbawalan nitong gumamit ng cellphone dahil patuloy pa rin itong nakagagamit ng kanyang telepono sa kampo. Samantala bago pa mawala si Catherine ay parang may nais na itong ipahiwatig hinggil sa kanyang sitwasyon. Base kasi sa kanyang shared post ay parang may malalim itong dinadala sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga pinopost. Narito ang kanyang naging mensahe. Never force a person to love you. Loving a person is not by force, it's by choice. Never make the mistake of forcing a person into loving you simply because you love them and you want them to love you in return. If you do so, you will continue to beg and force them to do everything there is to be done in the relationship. If it is obvious that a person does not like you, let them go, don't force them. Stop asking people to talk to them on your behalf. Stop doing everything possible to get their attention. Stop trying to seduce them. Stop giving them money, gifts, and other just to woo them. It makes you look desperate, and as much you may not succeed in your quest to get them fall in love with you. Stop forcing people to feel for you. A heart that didn't love you willingly will never give you its best. They will only end up hurting you. If you force it, they will just use and dump you after all. They told you they didn't love you but you still went ahead to offer yourself as an offering to them. You're precious. Your worth can be measured. Don't settle for less. Don't force yourself on anyone. Anyone that should love you willingly without you having to manipulate your ways into their lives. If they can treat you like a king and queen, please let someone else do it. Place value on yourself only, then would people place value on you, to your continuous growth and willness. Yan nga ang naging makahulugang mensahe ni Catherine Camilon na parang ang tinutukoy nito ay ang karelasyon nito sa kanyang boyfriend. Matatandaan nagkaroon di umano ng alitan si Catherine, ang suspect na umamin na may relasyon sila ni Catherine. At ayon sa balita, ay nais na umanong makipaghiwalay ng babae sa suspect dahil sinasaktan di umano ito at nagsumbong pa di umano ang teacher sa legal wife ni Police Major hinggil sa pambababae ng nasabing pulis.